Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes. It's good afternoon. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, I think participants, only 19 students have come. Please join fast. Whoever have to join, have to. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. All
Good
of you switch on your video. Isa Jivaraj, change your photo. Change your photo. Put the video. Okay. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. All of you.
Ma'am.
Do you remember what all things we studied previous class? Do you all remember? We studied about? We studied
Addition
about
of two or
Addition
more.
and
addition.
subtraction.
No. Addition only. Addition of two or more integers. Two or more integers. So many integers come together. How to add and how to find the answer. Okay. I have given you the problems related to it. So what did we do? What was the first step? I'll ask Anthony Babu. Anthony, can you answer me?
Yes, ma'am.
What did we do? What did we do? Please switch off the speakers, children. Switch off the speakers. Others, whoever I am asking only need to answer. Okay? Yeah. Only need to answer. Whoever is I am asking. Come on, tell me. Anthony.
Yes,
What did we do? You are given so many positive and negative numbers to add. What was the step we followed?
we the two numbers are positive numbers. Add them and give them a positive sign.
Okay, that is the rule. First rule of addition.
Then, if the both numbers are negative number, add and give them negative sign.
Okay, then.
If the both are different negative and other one is positive number, check which is the biggest number and subtract.
Subtract or we have to find the difference and put the sign of the
Greater number.
Okay, very good. Then that are the rules of addition. Yesterday, previous day, what did we study? We studied something else, no? I have given you so many negative and positive numbers. What was the step?
Two or more. Ma'am, can I say?
First we have to
Okay. Let him say. Anthony, I asked, no? Anthony, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what did we do previous day? I have given you so many negative numbers, so many positive numbers. What did we do? To add, what did we do? There was two steps. Two steps were there. Okay, I'll give you a problem, then you will understand. Shreya, can you answer? Shreya, why the video is stuck? You are not seeing? Your video is not seen? I think. Okay. So, I'll come back. We'll go for to the board. Okay, children, we'll go to the board.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you see the board?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you can see the board.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Look
Can
at
you
this.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Thank you.
Now look, I have given you some numbers like this to add. Negative 25 plus
And we have to
negative
write it down.
30. No, wait. Plus negative 5 plus positive 2 plus positive 3. Like this. So many integers you were asked to add, isn't it? You were asked to add so many integers. So what did you do?
First we take
First we
the
add all the positive
Find the sum
positive
of all
numbers,
positive
We
integers.
found the sum of all positive
then
integers.
negative
Okay.
and
Positive or
then
negative?
we
First we tell me.
find the sum of
Answer.
all
Positive 5.
negative numbers.
Okay. And then what did we do? We took the sum of all the negative integers. 25
We
plus
add that
minus 30 plus minus 30. 5. Isn't it? So this answer we
Then
will
we
get
will add that.
as we added
We
everything
will
together
add-
minus 60 we got. Isn't it?
Then we'll add
Then what to
positive
do?
5 and minus
Find
2.
the this one. We'll take
Difference
this
of positive 5 and
negative 60 and plus positive 5. Okay. And we'll find the difference and put the sign of the greater number. Do you remember?
we'll find the sum, right?
Sum. Yes, sum. Means what? One is negative, one is positive. So what is the answer? Find the difference and put the sign of the greater number. Isn't it?
Negative 55.
Answer will be negative 55.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Any problem? I can hear you. Let's just take down this. Write down this. You take a rough book and pen. Okay. Write down this problem. Write down this problem. Sriram, write down the problem. Abhinav, are you writing? Are you writing? Problem. You have to write down. I told to write. Srihari VS, no book is seen in front of you. There is no book. Are you writing it?
Ma'am,
I told. Okay, good.
Ma'am?
Yes.
ma'am, should we write in the
Rough book. Write in the rough book, and these problems you have to write in the note. Okay. I cannot send all the problems. You write whatever we are doing in the class, you write in the rough book roughly, and then neatly you have to copy. While doing it neatly, you do it yourself in the note. Okay. Don't copy from the rough book. You do it. So once more you are doing the problem. Isn't it?
Okay, ma'am.
Like that.
Ma'am, we should write these problems in notes.
This problem
also.
you have to write in the note. This problem. Today whatever we are doing, you write in the note.
Ma'am, you have sent some photos in the WhatsApp, right?
That is the rules only. I am sending only the rules, isn't it?
Homework we have to do in the note.
Homework you do in the rough book.
Okay.
Okay. This one, whatever we are doing in the class, you have to write in the notebook. Okay.
The rules we have to write in our notes.
Yes. Rules also you have to write in the notes. Okay. Now, I'll give you another problem. Not like this. Now we are going to pass on to the next topic, subtraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, subtraction. Look. Subtraction of integers. Next heading, subtraction of integers. In the text, it is they are directly gone to the word problem. I am discussing everything so that there is no doubt in you. Then we can pass on to the word problem. Okay. This is only revision actually. Subtraction of integers. So when you learn integers, there should not be any doubt in your mind. If any doubt is there, you will not get the answer. And somewhere you will go wrong. Okay. So subtraction of integers. What was the rule I told in your mind? Keep it in your mind.
There are two negative numbers.
No. Negative numbers, of course, it will be there. What was the rule I told? when doing subtraction?
Ma'am, for the second number, we have to take its additive inverse.
Yeah, ma'am.
Additive
The
inverse and all,
sign we have
that
to
you
change.
forget. Additive inverse and all you forget. Only keep in your mind. Change the sign and add. That is the rule. Okay. What is the rule? Change
Change the
the
sign
sign
of the second number and add.
second number or change the sign and add. That's only that you can keep in your mind. Change the sign and add when subtraction comes. Subtraction means, I'll tell you here, what is the sign given here? That is the operation sign. What are the 4 operations in mathematics? Basic operations.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication,
Fraction,
division.
multiplication, and division.
Isn't it?
Subtraction,
Okay.
multiplication.
And division. Okay. Now I am writing -2 minus -3. If I write like this, these signs are for integers. These signs are for integers. That is this one. These signs are for integers. It will be denoted by the top of the number. And this sign is known as the operation sign. Okay. What is the operation sign there? Minus. That means it is subtraction problem. It is subtraction problem. So subtraction problem, what did I say? The rule is to change the sign and
The sign and add.
change the sign of what? The number to be
Number.
subtracted. Second number to be subtracted.
Second number.
So I will, this no change, change the sign of this number and add. That's all. Change the sign and add. That is the rule. Okay. Now can you tell me -5 minus -4? Okay. So how will I write this?
Negative 5
-5
5
plus
positive
okay.
Negative
So,
1.
point important thing.
Negative 1.
Always you cannot wait. Always you cannot think about these rules and all. So you have to apply some tricks. What you have to do is just see this. If 2 negatives come, it is positive. Clear? When 2 negatives come together, you can put it as a positive integer. Clear, children? Minus a negative integer means it is positive. 2 negatives come together, it is positive. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
2 negatives come together, you can put plus positive that number. Okay, you can make it plus. Now, so what is the answer of this here now? This one, first one, what is the answer?
-1.
Negative
Positive one.
Positive one.
Put the positive one.
-1. Next one.
Next one, negative one.
Negative one. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, again, one more thing is there. I'll tell you. -8 minus -4. What will be the answer?
0.
Find out the answer. It is a subtraction problem.
0.
-4.
Good.
-4.
-4.
See, this 8 don't change. That 8 you cannot change. That is the number. Now, -8 minus means it is plus. Right like this. Now, answer is find the difference. Now, see, it is an addition problem, isn't it? You can use the rules of addition. What is the rule of addition when different signs come? Find the difference and put the sign of the greater number.
Sign of the greater number.
-4 will become the answer.
Bigger number.
Answer is -4.
-4.
Clear, children? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, some more 2-3 problems more we'll do. Then pass on to when more than 2 integers come, what you have to do. While subtraction also will be given. Okay. So I'll give you another one. Okay, two only I'm giving. Find out the answer. Just wait. Sorry. Find out.
Negative
Only two
3.
integers.
Negative.
Negative
Negative
3.
3.
Yes. What is the answer?
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
Negative
Good.
3.
So negative 23.
Negative 3.
Because this and this together it will be positive. So answer is negative
Negative
3.
3.
Isn't it?
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
Yes.
Like this you have to answer. Clear, children? Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
one. Next is you will be given so many integers, both positive and negative. Okay. And previous day we studied the operation sign everywhere it was plus. Only negative and positive integers were given. But here you will find some minus sign also. That is subtraction also will be included in that. So let us find one problem like that. Now I am giving you like this. It is given like this. What are you going to do? Okay, and you cannot directly do it. There is a step. What you have to do is, here you see the sign, it is subtraction. Look, last year you have studied this also, I know. See the sign, it is subtraction, isn't it? Then here also it is subtraction. Here you are asked to add. So when such problems come, what you have to do is, we will change everything to the addition. That is, all the operation signs you will make plus addition. I'll tell you how. Just change the sign and add. That is the way you are going to do. See this is negative 8. We will write as such. Negative and negative. It is plus. Plus positive 4 we will write. Then plus minus. Here what to do? No change. Same you have to write. Okay, no change. Now minus minus. That what we will write, change the sign. Because subtraction means change the sign and add, isn't it? So just make it positive because we have studied, isn't it? Did you understand this step, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood. Now
Yes.
check. We can check. See, all the signs became positive, isn't it? This is positive. This is positive. This is positive. Now everything became addition.
Ma'am.
Now like yesterday you can do. Like yesterday, day before
Ma'am.
yesterday we did. Yes.
Negative 3.
Wait. We'll do
Ma'am.
the problem. Yes.
Ma'am, Miss Ziad is waiting for getting in.
I have clicked him.
Ma'am, he's sending message.
But no, nobody's here. I didn't get him. I didn't get any message or anybody waiting.
Ma'am, I
It
am
will be
in.
shown. It will be shown here.
Ma'am, I am in.
He's in.
Okay, very good. Why we were late? Vidya?
Connection.
Okay, I just explained about subtraction of integers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
When we do the next problem, I'll explain once more. So now
Okay,
everything became addition problem. Now simply do the addition like previous class. What we were doing in the previous class. Collect all negative numbers. Collect all positive numbers. Negative 8. Then negative numbers I am adding. Plus, minus 3. Then nothing. No negatives. So we will take negative 5 we will get. Sorry, 8 plus 3, right? Okay. Sorry, not 5. It is both are negative. So add and put negative sign. Okay. Wait.
Ma'am.
We will do it. Wait. So both are negative. So you will get negative 11. Isn't it? Yes. Now take the positive numbers. Positive numbers, positive 4. And what else is there? Positive 2. Isn't it? Positive 2. So,
Positive 6.
Positive 6.
now for negative 11 and positive plus positive 6. So what is the answer? Find the
Negative
difference and
five.
put the sign for the
Negative
greater.
5.
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Negative 5. Because 11 is the
5.
greater number. So answer is negative 5.
Five.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Negative 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
problem?
No, ma'am.
You
I wrote.
understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, good. Good. Now I'll give another problem. Lakshmi, Chandra and all didn't enter. Okay. Now we will see another one. Try to do it.
Ma'am,
What is the
I'm
answer?
having some network issues so that I was not able to cover.
Who? Miss Yad?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. Okay, okay. All of you open your videos. I have to see everybody sitting with the book and pen. Nelvin K. Anthony. Nelvin K. Anthony, Prajida, Nelvin. Okay. Yes, switch on your video. Prajida, what about the video? Prajida CP. Video, switch on your video.
And I got the answer.
Okay, what is the answer?
Answer.
Negative 34. 34. And negative 34.
Negative
34.
34. Okay. We'll see. Look, others, those who came late, please listen. Okay, those who came late, please listen how it is done. Now, first step is we will change all the subtraction problem to addition problem. Okay, we'll change the it should be always addition. We'll see this negative number, no change, I'll write it as such. Plus positive, we can write it, this addition. Now this one you see, two negatives come, you can write positive. That means change the sign and add. That is what is done. Okay. So we will write change the sign and add. So it will become plus. So two negatives come like this together. You can make it positive. Okay. You can add a positive. So two negatives come, it will become positive plus. Now then again another two negatives come, it is plus. Okay. So now what happened?
We have tried positive and we have to write
Yeah, you have to
positive.
write all the positive numbers together and all the negative numbers together. Negative 80 is the only negative number. Now positive numbers you add. What will you get? Positive 5 plus positive 1. Isn't it? I'm not putting the bracket. It takes time, simply waste of time. So it is how much? 46. Positive 46. Now negative 80 and positive 46. Isn't it? So what is the answer you get?
Negative 34.
Negative
34.
34 is the answer. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Sangeeta, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Ma'am, after 80 means after first number, we have to put everything the
Addition.
opposite
Addition.
sign.
Yes. We have to make it addition problem. Otherwise, subtraction, you have to change. That is what we are doing actually. Changing the sign and putting addition sign. Okay. Change the sign and add. That we are doing here in this step. Understood? That step we are doing it. Then no, we won't go wrong. Okay. If you take this 2 and then find the answer, then from its answer, if you subtract this and all, you will go wrong. Okay. You'll get confused also. So better
So we have to make everything positive.
everything positive. Then it is easy. Only rules of
Thank you,
addition
ma'am.
you have to follow.
Ma'am,
Clear?
but I just asked that the sign mean negative and positive.
If negative and positive come, I'll give a problem like that. Okay, good question you asked. Suppose it is like this. This is what you asked, no? Isn't it? Was this type you asked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll see it is positive. Okay. That one, I'll make one more number I'll give you. One more number. Same way you asked me to, what will you? Please.
We have to write this, right?
Yes, yes. You write down. Today's problems you have to write down. I cannot send today. Now minus positive 20. Okay. Like this when it comes, you have to, what you will do, isn't it? Okay. See, this problems, anyway, we have to make it into addition problem, adding problem. So, negative 80 minus plus. What you have to do, this is subtraction actually, subtraction, minus is there. So, what is the rule? Change the sign and add, isn't it? Change the sign and add. So,
Negative 40.
Yes, plus negative 40. We'll write like that. Clear? Here, both are negative, so you can put plus 1. Now, here also see minus plus. So, what will you do? Change the sign and add. So, minus 20. And so, you see, everything became.
And this is the negative 5 into positive 5.
This one, 2 negatives are coming. So, it is positive. Change, here also we are using the same rule. Change the sign. See, change the sign. Then add. That's all. Is it clear? Any doubt you have to ask, okay? Keep the doubts. Tell me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. The first
Tell me.
number one change.
No. This number, there is no change. Same number remains that there itself. Because we are not adding with anything. Okay? We are not doing any operation with it. So same way. Is it confusing?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So 80 negative. Then all, see the operation sign, everything is addition, no? So we can add simply negative 80 or add all the negative numbers. 40, then plus 20, negative 20. Okay. Okay. What will you get? Answer is 140.
44.
Negative 140. No degree here. This chapter, previous chapter only degrees was there. Degrees were there. Okay. So next is add all the negative numbers. What are the negative numbers we added? Negative
Only
140.
positive 5.
Only positive 5 is there. Okay, very good. So positive 5. So what is it? Negative 140 plus positive 5. Isn't it? So what is the answer?
Negative 135.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you another one more problem.
Ma'am, Emily is saying you're not letting her in.
Emelina, okay. 4 people are waiting. Message, Emelina, okay. Okay, Emelina, did you enter? Okay.
Ma'am, can you give one more question?
I'll give one more question. Will do. Okay.
Ma'am, the last question's answer was what?
Answer we didn't do.
Negative 35.
Negative 35.
135.
135. We didn't do the answer, I think. Negative 130. Just subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Okay, that's all. So what about this one? One more. Do it.
Can we look?
Negative 36 plus 46 plus negative 52 plus negative 36 minus negative.
Speaker sound is. See, switch off your speakers. Some disturbances are coming.
6 plus.
Ma'am, positive
And
53.
positive one.
Ma'am, we have to find the answer.
115.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
positive 53.
Find the answer.
Positive
Find.
53.
Positive 52.
Positive 52. Is it?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
52.
No.
53.
53,
It
ma'am.
is. What is
Wait,
it?
ma'am.
Negative or positive?
Positive.
No.
Ma'am, wait.
Negative 53.
Negative 53 will come.
We
Or
got negative 51.
51. Correct.
Negative 51.
Negative 51 is the correct answer. Isn't it? Check. Negative 36. Negative, we will take negative 36. Then plus minus. So what? Change the sign and add. Change the sign and add. Okay. Then minus. Isn't it? Subtract. So change the sign. Then
And
again
negative
add.
51.
Then next is negative. So again positive. Change the sign and add. What you will get?
Negative 51.
51.
Negative 36. Only one negative number. Here what you will get?
Ma'am, one small mistake in which you did.
Where is the mistake?
Ma'am, you converted negative 58 into positive 52.
Change the sign.
convert,
Sorry.
right?
Okay. It's not negative. Correct. It is minus. It is minus problem. It is not. It is addition problem. So no need to change the sign. Okay. Here it is not change the sign. Don't change the sign here.
I'm not there.
Wait.
Down.
Down, ma'am.
Yeah. I know. So this was minus, isn't it? And so
Yeah,
here
down.
it is minus only. Don't change it. Minus problem. Minus it is.
My
I'll wrap it. Okay. So it is all minus. No need to change the sign. Okay. So it is minus 52. And then both positive 36. Then again positive 1. Now only what is this? 36 and so this 36 and 52. What is the answer you get? Total.
88.
Negative 88.
Yeah.
Negative 88.
It is. Yeah. So you will get negative 88 here. We added both. Okay. Then plus what is the positive sum? Positive sum is
Positive 37.
positive 37.
Positive
So what to do?
37.
Now find the difference and put the sign of the greater number.
Negative 51.
Negative 51.
Negative 51. You will get the answer. Okay. That is how you get negative 51.
Can
Clear,
you give
children?
one more question?
One more question you want? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
I think it's time. What is the time given to you?
2.
5.
Time is up.
It's 2-7.
2-7 now. Okay. I'll give the problem. Do it yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I'll wind up. I have to give to the other teacher. So isn't it? It is not continuous period.
And we have next period, right?
Ma'am, one more class.
Yeah. Good. One more period is there. Anyway, do the problem. Plus minus 20 minus 40. Okay. Do it. Find the answer. Plus 3. find out the answer. Okay, bye. Children, I'll see you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, don't rub. Thank you, ma'am.
Don't rub. I'm good. Okay.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.